So it's lunchtime, and this is something I really love having for lunch. First of all, I make a wee little dressing. So about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, probably about half a teaspoon, some pepper, about the same. Give that a little stir. I set that aside for a minute. So now I just get a bowl, and I'm using a tin of cannellini beans, which are white beans, and I just want to drain them and give them a rinse. And I'll just let them dry for a moment. Now I get some parsley, chop off the big stems, and finely chop the parsley. Now I get about 1 spring onion and finely chop that as well. I can actually combine them both now. Now I get my beans, which are thoroughly drained and rinsed, and I add the dressing. Then I add the parsley and the spring onion. Now I add 1 tin of tuna. This is 185 grams. I'll just drain off the liquid. Pile it into a bowl, a bit more cracked black pepper. Done. Time to try it. Fresh and yum and healthy and so easy. And what I like to do is get some of my seeds and sprinkle them on top for an extra crunch. Delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.